Is tógra creative West Belfast a bhfuil sé mar aim ige feimú mar Cruthaitheach ealaíontóirí in Iarthar Feirste agus inniu ag an Muileann Conway tá an siú idirlín le seoladh ag an dramadór Martin Lynch.
Been asked along by West Belfast Partnership Board to help launch the website, the new Creative Industries website, which I think is just fantastic. I looked at the site last night, and it's all individual artists and arts organisations simply advertising their wares on the web, and it's just fantastic. People can sell their wares, they can advertise what projects they have on, or just simply have a presence there. And I was just thinking back to our early days in Turf Lodge, you know, in the early 70s. You had us in Turf Lodge, you had Des Wilson and Bal Murphy both producing people's theatre or community theatre. And if we'd have had that facility, that website facility, you know, it would have been a great help at the time. But so hopefully it will actually help and encourage a lot of people to consider the arts as a career as well.
Táid an seán you just rá cara táid ag Johnny, agus cara rinmuid an oré, cara táid hon Johnny and Fléintse Hugging, agus táid ag oscailt the Creative Industries website, agus by Martin O'Lindsay ag Johnny sin, agus by Jim Neeson ag Lord faoi Conway Mill agus an haghaidh an sin.
Bhí buinteach leis an airgneamh seo le tamil fada. Gur mé ar Jimmy mé as an old school, dobar mé le tamil, Park Amshark agus leis an Sean Custavian seo, Frank Callow's, Tom Callow's issued. Agus dobar mé ar an scéimeann seo go dtí ghuairmuid ar das plánla, agus ní sin bhí deir leis an conra bheoine ar an drochar, so Sean Céidir dú tháinig teachtaráis seo agus é cruithne, so just gáilta é.
Well, tá mé seo le má chuid tageach a thuirstin a duine, well, a thug an éid seo agus atá gobar an seo aníos. An rud atá de bhí orraine sa cantar seo in Iarthar Feirste, sé sin tionscail. Agus mar bhfuil sé ag teach isteach bhfuil caithimid sé a haghaidh. So, cinniú an forganú an seo ón heachtaide agus fuair sé deantas agus tá sé ag fasú inis agus tá sé agam go leanaí sé ar